name's Renee and I'm from Cairns Property Office. I would like to welcome you to apartment 5, 105 Collins Avenue in Edge Hill. I'm going to take you for a little tour of this apartment. Come and take a look. There's only one short flight of stairs. I'm just going to open the door for you, Michelle.
Oh, thank you.
Come on in. So it's just been freshly painted. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1 car space apartment in Edge Hill. As you can see, it's got a lovely outlook. So you can see all the glass windows, which really shows, I feel like we're in a bit of the botanical gardens here, really.
That's beautiful. It lets in a lot of natural light as well.
Definitely. And you've got a really good sized balcony out here. Come on out here. So you could spend the afternoons having a wine or a cup of tea in the mornings with a coffee.
I feel like you're in the botanical gardens. It's beautiful.
So the kitchen's original. Lots of cupboard space. You could very easily just use it as is, or you could possibly do a full renovation if you wanted to. Linen cupboard. Lots of good space in there.
Yeah.
Now we've got our bathroom through here. So you've got a shower through at the end there, Michelle. And then just behind that door there is a laundry.
Okay.
And then come through into the main bedroom, one of the bedrooms. This has got the ensuite through to here as well, which has got a shower.
Ooh.
Lots of space, mirrored built-in robes, and they're quite high, so lots of space for storage.
Oh, that's really nice. Bedroom,
So ensuite in there.
ensuite. Yeah.
And I'll take you through to the second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom. It's currently being used as an office, but you could also fit a double-sized bed in here. Again, you've got your built-in cupboards. It's a nice, good-sized room.
Stand back a bit.
Yep.
You can see.
You've got some amazing cafes and restaurants. Literally, you walk across the road and you've got Osmosis. A little bit further down, you've got Noah, and you've got bakeries. You've got a local butcher. You've got some really great facilities right on your doorstep. Minutes away is the red and yellow arrow, and you've got the Botanical Gardens, of course. You are literally 5 minutes from the domestic and international airport, and you're in the catchment areas for Edge Hill Primary School and Cairns High.